Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to make the double tube. This is probably one of the easiest builds of all time. It's literally just a tube and then you wrap a chain around it so that it's like a double-walled tube. Here I am making the first tube. You can make it as wide or as narrow as you'd like. It really doesn't matter. You can use any colors that you'd like. And here I am just taking a chain and starting to wrap it around the first tube. Make sure that everything is interlocked. You don't want any of the magnets to be aligned. And this is a very forgiving shape to build. You can see here I'm kind of just squishing the specs that I'm putting on into place. You don't necessarily have to go row by row. Just make sure that they're all in there and that the ends are even. And then once you have your tube, you can mold it into all of these really cool shapes and then change it, because it's so forgiving and quite strong as far as Speks builds go. My favorite shape to build is to make a triangle on one end and then make a triangle that's facing the other direction on the other end so that you get this cool diamond pattern along the tube. And yeah, that's the double-walled tube. Happy building!